Welcome to your sunset walk on Noordhoek Beach. A lovely, safe environment to have an evening walk with the dogs, as you will notice down below. A leisurely walk up the beach there will take you to Kakapo Wreck, grounded there on the Noordhoek Beach in May 25th, 1900. Back in about 2015, we walked right up this Chapman's Peak over into Constantia. It was a beautiful walk. We walked all the way from Simonstown, stayed in Komaki at the glamping resort there, walked all the way along Long Beach and up this mountain. Walked all that distance. I don't think it's possible anymore. If anyone can comment in the comments below and let me know, I would love to walk it again. It's possible though, due to all the fires of late, that they've restricted access to the mountain in some areas. I know in Gordons Bay that's true, which is rather unfortunate with that iconic view in mind, looking towards Slangkop and Komaki. Sweeping further to the left now, looking over Noordhoek. And there we are, Fishhoek in the middle. Beautiful suburbs, and False Bay just beyond that. This beautiful powdery white sand stretching for 8 kilometers from Noordhoek to Komaki is said to be the widest in South Africa and a great destination, a popular one for surfers and bodyboarders. Also, you'll notice there's horse riding along the beach here as well. This little corner, the surfers have named the Hoek, or as in Afrikaans, die Hoek, perhaps because it's in Noordhoek. Under Chapman's Peak, right within view of the cave, is an epic spot for surfers. But come dressed for the occasion. You will need a thick wetsuit. It is cold out there. I mean, really cold. It can get to like 5 degrees. And that's not really the kind of wave that you want to be out there in your boardies. Nope. And there we are. That's enough of the lovely, beautiful walk along our fantastic beach. Let's go home. But thank you again for flying Google Doogle. Take care now. See you soon in Elands Bay, I think.